everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is February's giveaway. So if you watched my Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Bang Mascara review, you guys know that I actually ordered one online also, and then found out it was actually in stores also. So I went and picked it up in stores, and then it was too late to cancel my Sephora order. So if you guys watched that video, you guys know that I was thinking about doing a giveaway with it. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. So if you want to enter and learn how to enter, then please keep watching. I want to thank everyone for being so patient with me during these last 2 weeks with posting very little content on YouTube. As you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or anything like that, you guys know I burnt my hand really bad, but it's pretty much completely healed. The only thing left is I do have some leftover scabs, but other than that, everything's healing great. Also, what do you guys think of my lighting? I just got a ring light, but I feel like it leaves some shadows on my face. I think I need 2 more lights here, but my room is pretty limited and small, so if you guys have any suggestions or anything like that, because I love hearing your tips and tricks and what you guys think of my videos, then let me know down below. Alright, so let's get back to the giveaway. I'll be giving away to one person a Benefit Bad Gal Bang, their new mascara. If you guys watched my review on it, you guys know how much I really love it, and I want to give it away to someone else so they can really love it as well. So all you have to do to enter is be subscribed to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave a comment down below. And I will leave some extra entry ways that you guys can enter in the description box, such as, you know, follow me on Twitter, like in my Facebook page, you know, some extra stuff for an extra entry and that type of stuff. Make sure you guys do follow me on Instagram as well, though, and subscribe to my channel, because I do check. There have been a couple of times where I went to go message the winner, I chose a winner, and then I checked their Instagram and they weren't following me, so that will cost you to not win. And as always, as I say in every giveaway video, I always choose people who are real supporters, people who really watch my videos, people who comment on my videos, people who comment on my Instagram. But if you're new here, welcome. There's always more room for people. But if you're just subscribing for the giveaway and then you're going to unsubscribe if you don't win, or even unsubscribe after you win, you know, that's somebody I don't want to win. I want somebody who really has a passion for makeup, someone who shares the same passion as I do, someone who really watches my video, and someone who just really supports me. So those are the type of people I usually choose. If you look back on my other giveaway winners, they're usually always people who comment on my content, on my pictures, on my videos, and you know, I really reward people with that. Winner is chosen at random, but I do remember usernames. I do remember certain people who continuously show me support, so sometimes I will choose those people to win. So just letting you guys know. I also will be having another giveaway posted in 2 days. I already filmed the video for that also, so that'll be posted in 2 days. Make sure you're subscribed also so you don't miss out on that giveaway as well. And I think that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you like giveaways and you like these type of videos, so I know to do more giveaways. And I will see you all in my next video.